Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got the Mirka Case Fastening system and we're going to show you how to install it and give you a rundown on what it is and what backs it's compatible with. So let's go. So the reason you'd want the case fastening kit is it allows you to attach the hard cases to the Mirka vacuum. So for example, we have a Dios, a Deros, and also a separate hard case for all our abrasives. So that's 3 separate hard cases that we stack on top of each other. Then we can lock them into our vacuum, wheel them around on job sites, keep it all nice, neat, uniform. It's just a great way to store all your gear in one spot. The case fastening kit's compatible with all 30-litre vacs. So unfortunately, if you've got a 25-litre vac, this system won't work for you. But if you've got a 1230L class or a 1230M class, whether it's the standard or the AFC model, this kit will work great for your vac. Also a side note, if you've got any of the Festool gear, the mold on their hard cases is practically the same as the Mirka cases, so they'll actually stack on top of each other and also lock into the Case Fastening Kit. So let's check out what's in the box. So I've got this one open here already, and immediately you'll see 2 cast pieces of plastic. So these will actually form the case fastening system. Then we've got a little instruction manual just in case you get stuck. I know most people don't like instruction manuals, that's why we make this video, but in case you do like instruction manuals, it's here. You also get 4 screws, little clip. Now this doesn't look important, but it is. It helps you align the cases to the vacuum, and I'll show you what that means in a second. So to start off with, you're going to need a T20 tool. This is all you need. If you're not sure what that is, it's the little star looking tool. And you've just got 4 screws to remove. So you've got 2 here in the handle, and then you have 2 at the back here where your lead hooks over. So let's take off these screws now. So you'll notice one of the pieces is a little bit thinner, and it's also got these longer sort of sections here. That's the one that will go at the front, and so that'll just go where you remove those 2 screws. It'll just press in like that, and using the same tool, we're just gonna lightly screw in both of those. Just hand tight's fine, doesn't have to be too tight. The next 2 screws you'll need to remove are these 2 here. So just again with your T. And this one with the back section is just gonna basically sit over the top of that where you took those screws out of. It's nice and flush. And then using your longer screws and the same tool again, we're just gonna lightly screw them till we find the thread. That's it there, and now we can tighten them both all the way. Again, just hand tight. Like I said, this little clip's gonna come in handy. It'll help you align your box so that way you can quickly lock it into place. You'll see a small slot at the back section here. Basically, it just goes over the top and clips in just like that. Now that we've got the case fastening system attached to our 1230M class, we're gonna grab our Mirka hard case here. This is one we've prepared earlier. This is a deep hard case, perfect for storing abrasives. So you can get case inlays that you put inside this where you can actually organize all your abrasives. I mentioned before this little nub that sticks out. So you just wanna get your hard case, you'll feel the nub, and then you can go around, just start locking them in place. And that's it. Now your hard case is attached to your vac. And if you want to see what it looks like stacking on top of this again, slot it in till it's flush at the back. And if you just turn your lock halfway, that'll lock them together there. You might be wondering, how do I get into them? So pretty simple. If you want to get into the bottom one where your abrasives are, you just twist the lock upside down and then you can lean it back just like that. Unlocked down, locked is on the side, either side, it doesn't matter. And then to get into it is upside down. Thanks for watching, guys. That's everything there is to the Mirka Case Fastening Kit. If you got any questions, leave a comment below or send us a message. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. If you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Happy sanding.